Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right here we're checking out the Maono Lavalier Microphone. This is model number AU-100. Now I've been looking for a mic that actually has not only a very long wire with the 1/8 connection, but also has inline power so it can work with different things, whether it's working at one point with mobile or working at another point with a camcorder, which I'll actually hook up to this and let you hear what it sounds like. So this, when I saw it online, I was like, oh, this might be perfect for what I need. So their slogan is there, Vision Drives Tech. Great for video shooting, presentation, interview, and selfies. So let's go ahead and see if I can open this up. So there's what we have in the box here. Pretty nice, all right. Set that up right in the background. Set that up there. So in the box of this, the AU-100, we have a little carrying case, which is pretty cool. Feel like something's in here. Oh, another little clip there. And another little foam thing for the microphone. Get our little getting started user guide. That's great to have. And then you can see all the cable that we get, including some Velcro wire ties, which is really helpful to keep everything nice and clean. Now the reason I wanted to have this was because I do have wireless mics, but sometimes you do need wired mics because you may be in a situation, either you need to not use wireless because it may get some interference. Now with some of the technology now, that's less to happen, but if you have other people shooting, maybe news networks, you don't want to cross that, and you can go directly to your talent with plenty long cable here as well. So we do have another little foam screen filter there. Comes with a battery installed. Another little tie clip, perfect. So we get two of these and two of these. If you need any backups, that's perfect, really great. And then it also comes with a 1/4-inch adapter. And then you get your little 1/8 adapter there. So you get both options. Some silica gel if you want to use that for something, as well as a second battery. So you really get everything for about $20. This takes LR44s. I know you can get them cheap on eBay and Amazon. I'll put the links for those below, as well as the link for this. But I'm really looking forward to checking this out. So let me go ahead and plug this in. Let's see how it works. Now you'll know what equipment really needs to have the power of the battery, because you'll plug it in. If you have power on, then you won't get anything because it will kind of like overmodulate. So when I plugged into the mic right there, without the power, I was not able to get a signal going in. So this particular camcorder needs to have a power booster with the microphone. So you hear what the microphone sounds like right here, but typically what you would want to do is install this. Sorry for all the sound. So you would want to install that for the windscreen, as well as a pop filter. Probably a nicer looking install than that. It's not very good. There you go. And then the next part would be the tie clip. So, and sorry for the dirty hands of working on my car earlier. Had to do one of those, had another screw in the tire, so I had to fix that real quick. And now that's done, and can't get the rest of the dirt and grease off the hands yet. Anyway, so there it is. That's all set up. Really nice looking, plenty of wire. I know it does get a little frustrating when the wire has to get wound back up, but just take your time doing it so you don't break any wires inside. But this overall is a really great little kit for the price for sure. So that's what it sounds like when it's maybe less than a foot away from me. If it's a little closer where it would be on my chest or tied, this is what it would sound like. So that right there is the Maono AU-100 Lavalier Microphone. Now this obviously was an unboxing and review, so you get an idea of what it sounds like and what it comes with. So if you're really looking to pick up a microphone for your productions, whether it's here on YouTube or other places, this may be a great option if you really like what it sounds like. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. If you have other products in mind that you want to see on the channel, make sure to leave a comment and let me know, and we'll be happy to check those out. Again, we'll see you soon.